In this video, we're going to show you how to write an effective claude.md file for persistent context in Claude Code. When working on larger coding projects, one of the biggest challenges is maintaining consistency across multiple sessions. Important information such as project architecture, coding standards, folder structures, development rules, and workflow preferences can easily be forgotten if they are not documented properly. This is where a claude.md file becomes extremely valuable. A well-written claude.md file serves as a central reference document that provides Claude with the essential context needed to understand your project. Instead of repeating the same instructions in every conversation, you can maintain important project information in one location. This helps improve consistency, reduce repetitive prompting, and create a more efficient development workflow. Many developers use claude.md files to define project goals, coding conventions, preferred technologies, and other important guidelines that should remain consistent throughout development. The good news is that creating an effective claude.md file is much simpler than many people think. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to structure a claude.md file so Claude can work more effectively across your projects. So, let's get started. The first method is to organize the file into clear sections. Create a claude.md file in your project directory. Then add the most important information about your project. Include items such as project objectives, technology stack, coding standards, naming conventions, folder structure, and development guidelines. Keep the information concise and easy to understand. Avoid adding unnecessary details that are not relevant to the project. The goal is to provide Claude with the context that will be useful across multiple tasks and sessions. As your project evolves, update the file whenever important requirements change. This helps ensure that the information remains accurate and useful over time. In most situations, this simple structure is all you need. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, create a claude.md file within your project. Second, organize it into clear sections that describe important project information. And third, keep the file updated as requirements, standards, and project goals evolve. Remember that a good claude.md file acts as a shared reference point between you and Claude. Providing consistent project information can improve response quality, reduce repeated instructions, and help maintain coding standards across multiple sessions. It's also a good practice to keep the document focused on long-term project requirements rather than temporary tasks. A well-maintained claude.md file can become one of the most valuable tools in your AI-assisted development workflow. Spending a few minutes creating a clear project reference can save significant time and effort throughout the life of a project. And that's how to write an effective claude.md file for persistent context in Claude Code. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Claude and other AI tools. Your support helps us create more tutorials, productivity guides, and practical AI workflows to help you get better results from your projects. If there's another Claude Code feature or workflow you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.